A night shift nurse noticed something everyone else missed. The elderly patient in room 12 was showing subtle signs that day staff dismissed as normal aging. But something felt wrong. Hospital administrators pressured her to focus on priority cases. Her shift was already overwhelming. She could have moved on. No one would have blamed her. Instead, she spent her break researching his medications. What she found made her blood run cold. A dangerous drug interaction that no one had caught. At 2 a.m, she made a choice that could have cost her job. She called the doctor. By morning, they discovered a life-threatening condition that would have killed him within hours. The patient was a retired doctor. When he recovered, he helped her get into medical school. Her detailed documentation led to a hospital-wide protocol change that saved dozens of lives. Years later, she became the head of patient safety at that same hospital. One decision to trust her instincts over institutional pressure changed everything. Not just for him, for her, and for countless patients who would never know her name.